To use the Polhemus accuracy and hemisphere check feature in Locator, begin by setting up and connecting the Patriot hardware according to the instructions in the Locator user manual. Fix the source and receiver rigidly on a flat surface in a metal-free environment. Rigidly fix a printed grid or a non-metallic ruler on the same surface so that its location will not change relative to the source or the receiver during the measurement. Start Locator by clicking the Windows Start icon, typing Locator, then clicking the Locator icon. Close the wizard that appears in the center of the screen by clicking the X at the top right corner of the dialog, and click OK in the warning that appears. Click Tools and select View or Modify Settings from the menu. In the dialog that appears, select Connect to Patriot and click OK on the acknowledgement that appears. Then close the dialog by clicking X at the top right corner. Click Tools and select Polhemus Accuracy and Hemisphere Check from the menu. The dialog will appear. Click Start at the bottom to connect to the Polhemus digitizer. Then hold the stylus over one of the 2 points you plan to digitize and click the stylus button. The top part of the dialog will populate. Move the stylus to the second point. Click the stylus button, and the bottom part of the dialog will populate. The measured distance in millimeters between the 2 points will be displayed in the receiver and transmitter frames of reference. If the relative location of source, receiver, and measurement grid or ruler remained fixed, and the environment is free from metal that might influence the measurement, then both distance measurements should be within 3 millimeters of the actual distance on the grid or ruler. In this example, 2 points 300 millimeters apart on the ruler are digitized, and the error is approximately 3 millimeters. In this case, the ruler itself was not fully immobilized, and the surface was not absolutely rigid, so those factors could account for some error.